I want to tell the Nigerian youth that are forcing Igbos to join the protests that Igbo youth will not join any protest in this country called Nigeria. I say it again. Igbo youth will not join any protest in this country called Nigeria. Because if they join them, tomorrow, una go to persecute Igbos. Tomorrow, una go talk say, now because of Tinubu is a Yoruba man, that is why Igbos join the protest in Nigeria. So if you are Igbo youth, if you join this protest they are talking about in Nigeria, if anything happened to you, now you sabi. Now you sabi. During the presidential election in Nigeria, I will never forget it, what happened during that period. The way that these people are maltreating Igbos in Lagos, telling them they should go to Anambra State and go and vote for Peter Obi. They should go to Enugu State, go and vote for Peter Obi. They were maltreating Igbos, persecuting Igbos, and all the tribes keep quiet. They no one talk. Because of Peter Obi, this man that you are seeing here now, this man that you are seeing here, because of Peter Obi, this man there inside prison till today. After during the presidential election, where some Yorubas are maltreating Igbos in Lagos, because Igbos support Peter Obi, they want to vote for Peter Obi. And this man stood up, said that he will invite the IPOP people to come to Lagos to secure Igbos business because of what some of Yorubas are doing to Igbos in Lagos. And they arrest this man, put this man inside prison. Since then, since that presidential election till today, this man still there inside prison. Now, when I want we Igbos to join you people to do protests, I don't take them. Any Igbo man or woman that join this protest, anything where you see, how can I change this thing now? Anything where you see, now you sabi, no? Can I change this camera? Anything where you see, now you sabi. How can I change this thing now? How can I? Where would I change this thing now? Okay. Now let me turn this upside down so that people will see it, because I know that this thing is turning upside down. When they see him, when they see him, when they see him, and now because of this man, because of Tinubu, they arrest this man. Because of this man, because of Tinubu, and now they want Igbos to join protests. But they don't forget the time when they are beating Igbos in Lagos, telling them they should come and turn and go and vote for Peter Obi. That now them be born to lose, Igbo are born to serve. Now they want Igbos to come out to join the protests in Nigeria. So any Igbo man or woman that join them, now you sabi. Let me thumb this in. Let me thumb this thing like this. Yeah. So, as I was saying before, any Igbo man or woman that join them in this protest, anything where you see, take them. Because tomorrow, they go be against you. Tomorrow, if they want to do presidential election again in Nigeria, you will see how they will be started maltreating you. Tribalism. 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 Everyday tribalism in Nigeria. And they want Igbos to come out to join the protest. Eh! Una don't forget the time when they beat them. Destroying their businesses in Lagos. Because they support Peter Obi. They support Igbo man called Peter Obi. Because Peter Obi is an Igbo man. Because Peter Obi is an Igbo man. Will you force Igbos who then go support? Will you force them who then go support? And after everything now, we don't hook everybody for neck. Tinubu don't hook everybody for neck. Even the people where they support them. Tribalism, country, Nigeria tribalism. Now, when I want Igbos to come out to join the protest, when I want Igbos to join, when I know, remember the time when they beat them, both in the north, Adam Medugiri. Una go first to apologize to Igbos. Una go apologize to Igbos. Una get me Igbos apologize. So any Igbo man or woman that join this protest in Nigeria, na you sabi, because then una own go dey different. Una go see how they go shooting you people, calling you people IPOP, calling you people or non-government. So it's better for you people to dey inside. Tribalism, there's nothing like one Nigeria. So as long as they hate us, make we use our wisdom to do anything we want to do in this country. Because we can see their hatred, both from the A to Z, both in politics, in everywhere. We can see their hatred. So don't join them to do any protest. Don't join them. Let me stop this video here. I will stop this video now. So I greet everybody that joined me this this live video. May God bless all of you. May God bless all of you that joined me this live video. May God bless all of you. May God bless all of you that joined me this live program. Thank you and God bless you.